Alright, so this is the second time I've done this repair on this. Well, not exactly the same directly. I got, you know, crap all over my hands this time because the last time it torched on me. Last time it was masking tape. I actually used electrical tape this time. The screws aren't in it yet, but I'm kind of getting ready to test it out, and I'm actually just a little bit nervous. So, right, partially working, maybe. The 900-watt light's on. There's one glowy. Maybe it'll produce some heat. It broke something though. I'll have to check this side because those are supposed to both be glowing and they're not. But hopefully this one will work better than the other one. This one here, we don't like this one. It doesn't work as well. It's cold. This one's nice though. But I don't know if I ultimately broke it or not. We'll find out, I suppose. So, yeah, that's that.